It's your man Alex. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my top 3 favorite hairstyles to go along nicely with my self haircuts. To create these 3 hairstyles, I'll be using quicksand and gravity paste from Hans de Foucault. I want to mention Hans de Foucault is not sponsored. I have been using their products for about 4 years now, and I honestly feel like they are the best styling products on the market. But to get started, I'm going to be taking about a pea size of both quicksand and gravity paste and then start to mix the products in my hand. Really work that product using your hands. You don't want to have any clumps of product showing on your head after you apply it. So once I've worked the product through my hands completely and the product is heated up, go ahead and start spreading the product into the roots of your hair. For the first hairstyle, I'm going to be giving myself a messy, wavy fringe. My hair in the beginning of the video is how my head looks every single day once I wake up, and I also really like this hairstyle because it offers me some versatility with my looks and it allows me to showcase my natural waves. When applying the product, do not be afraid of messing up your hair. For this hairstyle, you want to accentuate the waves and that messy look, so really smack your head around as lightly as possible and make sure the product is in all parts of your head. From side to side, from back to back to the front, flip your hair around and you should be good to go. Then start to even out the hair and push everything forward starting in the back. Make sure the hair by your part line flows well into the top of your head and the fringe is on your forehead. I like to give my fringe a slight lift so it adds some character to the hairstyle. I think it looks pretty sweet, especially because I can keep all of the hair out of my face. Now, the second hairstyle is going to be my go-to hairstyle that you guys usually see me rocking. It's sort of like a brush up side sweep with a part line. Using about half a pea size more of gravity paste, I'm going to start running the product in, starting at the fringe, pulling all of my hair straight back at an angle. Alright, so let me fill you in on a little bit of a secret. If you use this technique properly, it should give you massive power and turn you into a Super Saiyan from Dragon Ball Z. Be very careful, only a few know how to harness such power. To really create this look, separate the hair from your part line to the hair on top of your head, push all of your hair down by your sides, and continue working on your hair on the top backward to the opposite side of your part line. The haircut I gave myself here was my first attempt at a taper fade, and I know I could have done better, but I still think the overall haircut looks pretty nice. Stay tuned for this taper fade self haircut coming out real soon. And finally, the third hairstyle I like to give myself is what my girlfriend calls the preppy hairstyle. She thinks I look very high class with this hairstyle, so if you want to impress some women out there, definitely give this one a shot. But to get this hairstyle correctly, you need to give yourself a part line within the top of your head. So moving just slightly from my actual part line, I'm creating a new part line about ½ inch away, using the comb vertically, guide the comb straight back, creating as straight of a line as possible. This may take a few tries, but don't get too discouraged. Then with a small amount of gravity paste, I'm going to rake down the longer hairs from my new part line, and as for the bulk on top of my head, I'm using that same side sweep brush up look, only now I have this fancy looking wavy side part. Also, just a quick heads up, the self-haircut course that has taken me 3 months to create is now available to purchase on our website. If you want to learn how to save hundreds of dollars per year by cutting your own hair, check out my self-haircut course. You can read through all of the course details as well as join the course using the first link at the top of the description. YouTube! These are my 3 favorite hairstyles. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Which hairstyle do you think suits me the best, and which hairstyle do you think suits you the best? Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace!